Welcome everybody. Today we've got Fast Draw. He originally came with a mobile missile pack. I do still have his visor, but he looks like he had a place for an air supply or something to go, which makes sense if you're gonna have a backpack that shoots missiles off. Lots of padding on there. Yeah, sidearm. No real pouches or anything. Lots of, swivel arm battle grip. I say the visor will come off with some persuasion, but I don't feel like persuading it. He basically looks like he's got an American football helmet. And it's integrated. It's not a removable one. Shoulder pad there. He really did lean into the football aesthetic. Let's say lots of padding and reinforcement. Let's say he originally came with like a backpack that shot missiles. Basically, I think it would tilt down and zoom. But like I said, I was always a sucker for the guys that had visors. That's why Flash was always my favorite on the first gen. But I see knee pads are standard. I say hips are in good shape. I'm not going to have to redo his. Got lucky this week on those. Let's see, there he got his chin strap in place. Usual stuff. But, like I say, without any accessories, there's not much to talk about with him. So, thanks for watching. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe. Plenty more to go where this came from. And I'll see you next time.